Welcome to Exploring 10 Colors. Today, we will learn 10 different colors with some delicious fruits. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our first color is red. Look at this vibrant red passion fruit. Let's say it together. Red, red. Red passion fruit. Next, we have the color orange. Look at this juicy orange fruit. Let's say it together. Orange, orange, orange. Up next is the color yellow. Look at this bright yellow yuzu. Let's say it together. Yellow, yellow, yellow yuzu. Now let's explore the color green. Look at these fresh cucumbers. Let's say it together. Green, green, green cucumbers. We're moving on to the color blue. Look at this unique blue marble fruit. Let's say it together. Blue, blue, blue marble. Let's discover the color purple. Look at this delicious purple fig. Let's say it together. Purple, purple, purple fig. Next is the color pink. Look at this soft pink peach. Let's say it together. Pink, pink, pink peach. Now let's explore the color brown. Look at this earthy light brown parsnip. Let's say it together. Brown, brown, brown parsnip. Let's discover the color black. Look at this rare black garlic. Let's say it together. Black, black, black garlic. Finally, let's learn about the color white. Look at this small white fayette bean. Let's say it together. White, white, white fayette bean. Great job, everyone! Let's recap the 10 colors and fruits we learned today. I'll say the color, and you say the fruit out loud. Ready? Let's go! Red, passion fruit. Orange, orange. Yellow, yuzu. Green, cucumbers. Blue, blue marble. Purple, figure. Pink, peach. Brown, parsnip. Black, black garlic. White, fayette bean. Great job, everyone! Now it's time for some fun. Let's play a color recognition game. I'll show you a fruit, and you tell me its color. Are you ready? Let's play. Amazing work! If you enjoyed learning about colors and fruits today, remember to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye!